Okay, so we're at Chula University, the main university, and this particular focus is I just did another video where I kind of go through all of this, but I thought I would focus on two things that I think certain people would like, and these are these little game cafes. So go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So the first one is coming up, and it's right here, and you can see people are playing different games in here. So I don't know if you can see very easily, but it's Knight's Tale. So okay, 40 baht an hour. We'll just kind of walk in for a second. Okay. Okay. So I don't want to go in too much, but it looks like it's all board games, so you can play different board games here. And it's open every day, 12 a.m. 12 a.m. That's at midnight. Opens at 12 a.m. Must open at noon. Okay, so here's one. Then you can see all the different people playing the different games in here. And there's another one. These guys are playing at Bob Card. So I'll kind of casually try to view this one too at Bob Card. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. This one is. Okay. So, okay. So Bob Card also looks pretty popular too. So Bob Card, and the other one. This is the third one? Oh, this is for kids, you kids. So, okay. So now you can see that they have two big card games that are really popular. And so we're over by Chula University, and I'm just kind of walking around a little bit. So if you're into those kind of games, and I know some people are, so there's some places at Chula University that you could definitely play. And it's kind of, I don't know the name of this location, but it's not too far from this mall down there. There's a big mall that I would have just done in another video. So if you search my Thailand videos, you can find that mall, and you can kind of pinpoint exactly the location. This is about a block and a half away from a big mall that's right at the metro station. That's at Chula University. All right, hope you enjoyed it. Shikinya, shikinya.